Good evening, everyone. My name is Ketika Jabo, and this is Trending Now. The U.S. House of Representatives has voted to extend temporary protected status, TPS, for Haitian immigrants, allowing around 350,000 people to stay and work legally in the country. The decision made in Washington, D.C., is driven by ongoing instability in Haiti, including gang violence, political unrest, and economic hardship. Lawmakers supporting the extension say conditions in Haiti remain unsafe for returns, meaning affected migrants will continue receiving legal protection in the United States. Tigray's regional leadership has restored its regional parliament, a move that has raised concerns over possible renewed tensions with Ethiopia's federal government in Addis Ababa. The decision, led by the Tigray's People Liberation Front, comes after years of conflict that disrupted governance in northern Ethiopia. The development is being closely watched as it risks straining the fragile peace process between both sides. South African Police Chief General Fanny Masomela has appeared in court over corruption allegations linked to a $21 million police health services tender. The case also involves senior officers and businessman Vusimuzi Kat Mahlala, following a contract awarded in 2024 and later cancelled in 2025 over suspected irregularities. Prosecutors say Masomela failed to properly oversee public funds, while he denies the charges and says he will respect the legal process.
I did what I supposed to do. I stopped the contract, so I don't know why should I be here.
The case highlights ongoing concerns over corruption and accountability in public institutions. Taiwan President Lai Ching-te has cancelled a planned visit to Eswatini after several African countries reportedly denied overflight clearance. The trip was intended for Eswatini's national celebrations, Taiwan's only diplomatic partner in Africa. Taiwan accuses China of pressuring countries to block the routes, while Beijing denies the claims and maintains Taiwan is part of its territory. The incident highlights how wider geopolitical tensions are affecting diplomatic travel and Africa's role in global relations. That's it for Trending News. My name is Ketika Jabo. And remember to follow us on EMG TV for more updates.